Have you ever had a dreams that you had you do?
Nothing sacred, but it's a living. Hey, oh, here she go. Either a little too high or a little too low. Got no self-esteem and vertigo. Does she think she's made of candy? Hey, oh, here she go. Either a little too loud or a little too close. Got a hurricane at the back of her throat. She thinks she's made of candy.
Hello, my boo. So hari ni, Lily is alone. Finally, I want to do this for a long time. Selalunya ada adik-beradik lah dekat ni. Because this is barang Lily lah. So today no gunting challenge. No gunting challenge. Wow, no gunting challenge. Okay, kita akan buka ni macam bra girl. Wow. Okay, so I think this is my hoodie. Because it's so soft. I don't know lah, mana tahu ada my mum or my dad beli benda lain juga ke, pasal tak bagi tahu tiba-tiba sampai benda ni daripada hoodie. I really want this hoodie for a while. I guess it's a hoodie, so let's open it. I can't wait. But you guys can see the texture over here. It's kind of fuzzy over here. Because I have a long time wear this. And the down here doesn't have the way I want it, the one that grips. So I wasn't expect my hoodie to be like more kind of like a styrofoam, I guess. No, it's not a styrofoam. It's like,
Have you ever had a dreams that you want him to do you so much you could do anything?
I don't know, but it kind of feel like that, but it's clearly, I mean, like, I don't mind wearing this because it's kind of, okay, I mind wearing it outside, like public, but I don't mind wearing it in my house. So let me show you to my hoodie. So this is my hoodie. It's, look at the texture. Doesn't, but I kind of like it. I kind of like it now. I kind of want to try it because it's very comfortable. It's very soft. It's very fluffy. It's like kind of like squishy. I don't want to get the white one dirty, so yeah. I'll show the pictures later. I'm going to vlog that photos. Okay, I'll show the photos later. Another one. I buy a second one. I buy not in the different store. If I buy in different store, maybe I got this kind of like texture. But the same store I buy. So it's kind of fluffy. The printed pictures or sign, I don't know. I bet it's easy peel off. Yep, it's easy peel off. Why? It's printed and it feels different from the words. I want the original one. I have to go to US and buy it myself. So I'm going to show you guys the moment that you'll be waiting for. Joking. Okay, this video is going to be short because it's just this two stuff and nothing to try on. Okay, maybe I should try this. So the moment I'm going to try this for you guys. The moment that y'all been waiting for. The Umbrella Academy hoodie. Oh, I kind of like this texture now when I wear it. It's kind of weird inside hoodie. I don't know why, but I kind of like it. It's not big. The hand is big. This is another one.
For so many years, I thought that there was something wrong with me. That I was the black sheep and I needed to change my personality. And after a lot of time and consideration, I realized who I was. I'm a piece of shit.
So I guess this one is another size. So yeah. Oh. Show the size. This one is M. kind of small, but it's fit. This one is L. It's big and comfy. I like both. Like a pillow though, but it can be a pillow. It's clearly fluffy. Okay, now I can act crazy. So this is fluffy. So I can clearly sleep on this. Okay, not sleep on the white one, on the black one, because I have stick on. But yeah, I don't know if you washed it, this thing might come off. Because this is like this texture. I want this texture. This is a weird texture, but I want the slime would be like this texture. Doesn't rip so much. But this one, how different it is from this. Oh, poor Klaus. The same with this. And I found the umbrella top is about to be... I don't know if you guys can see this, but you can easily peel it off. So yeah, that's all I guess. So today's video is kind of short, but yeah, see you on the next video. Bye.
This beat got me feeling like